And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Andrew Chung.
Good Saturday evening, everyone. Oh, those temperatures, they were roasting today. We had, again, more triple digits, especially out west and in the mid-valley, 90s toward the east, and that will continue for tomorrow. So if you're going to be outside, please do take it easy, drink plenty of water. So far, things have been pretty quiet on the radar. We are not going to rule out an isolated shower, but it's a very small chance for that overnight. In any case, it will stay warm and muggy overnight. Look at the temperatures right now. We're in the 80s across the board. 86 in Edinburgh and McAllen, 83 in Harlingen and Brownsville, 85 right now in Raymondville. Well, the heat indices have come down now, but earlier today it felt like 102 or 102 plus many places in the valley thanks to the humidity. We've got winds right now from the south to southeast between 10 to 18 miles an hour with a gust of 21 miles an hour in Weslaco. Here's your day planner forecast, and we have more of the same for your Sunday. Still hot, still humid, still breezy with partly sunny skies. We'll be in the lower 80s at 8 a.m., mid-90s at noon, and mid-90s at 5 p.m. There is a slight chance for a spotty shower or a thunderstorm mainly during the afternoon. We're tracking the tropics here at Channel 5 in the Atlantic Ocean. We have this tropical wave, which has a 50% chance of development over the next 5 days. Right now, halfway between Africa and South America, as it moves to the west-northwest toward the eastern Caribbean Sea. Now, closer to home in the central Caribbean Sea, we have this other tropical wave, which now has a 70% chance of development over the next 5 days. The forecast track takes it to the west-northwest over the Yucatan Peninsula, then the Bay of Campeche. At this point, it looks like the models are keeping this potential tropical system to the south of the valley, but even if that's the case, we may see some moisture associated with that potential system here in the valley for the second half next week. First things first, here's a satellite radar summary. One front draped over Oklahoma and Arkansas. There are severe thunderstorm watches to the north in Oklahoma. Very quiet here. Now, there is one upper level disturbance over northern Mexico that's going to track eastward into Texas, and that's why we're keeping in a slight chance of an isolated shower storm for tonight, as well as a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm for your Sunday. In any case, those high temperatures will still stay hot easily in the triple digits for tomorrow as well as for Monday. So here's future track. Partly sunny skies for tomorrow, obviously hot for the next couple of days. Should be mainly dry on Tuesday. That front does not get anywhere near the valley. We put a question mark on this potential tropical system. That's the second wave that I mentioned in the central Caribbean Sea that's expected to move over the Yucatan Peninsula. So at this point, this European model is keeping this potential system well to the south. But even if that's the case, as I said, there is a possibility you could see some of that moisture associated with this potential system creep all the way into the valley. So at this point, we're going to put in about a 20 to 30% chance of some showers or thunderstorms for the second half of next week. That is subject to change, of course. 20% chance of a shower here tomorrow, 20% for Monday, and mainly dry for your Tuesday. On the water, small craft should use caution on the Gulf or on the Bay waters, I should say. Spotty shower thunderstorm possible tomorrow. We'll have winds out of the south to southeast at 10 to 20 knots. The Bay waters are moderate chop. And your next tide is a high tide at 5:48 in the morning on Sunday. So tonight, partly cloudy. It stays humid and warm, a little bit breezy, maybe an isolated shower, low temperature of 80. Then for tomorrow, 100 the magic number with a 20% chance of a shower or thunderstorm. The heat continues for next week, mainly dry Tuesday, 20% chance of rain Wednesday, and a 30% chance of showers or storms on Thursday. That's your First Warn 5 forecast.